Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about 9 best side hustles for 2020 to make you more money. Now, I think everyone in today's society needs to have a side hustle. Side hustle, of course, is something that you do in addition to your regular 40-hour work week, your 9 to 5, just to bring in extra money, because there's always going to be expenses that you have come up that you weren't expecting, obviously, and it's just great to have that extra money in the bank. But you don't have to stress out about how are you going to fix the car or how are you going to pay for these medical bills. So I wanted to share these with you. I have a side hustle. I do affiliate marketing and YouTube in addition to my full-time job as a physical therapist. My husband's a retired teacher. He also has a side hustle, and that is being an Uber driver. We're not going to talk about that, but just to give you an idea, where we moved from 2 weeks ago, we lived in Arlington, Texas. Of course, we were close to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. He made anywhere, depending on how many hours he was able to put in, anywhere from $100 to sometimes $800 a week. So if you live in a city where you can get some good income that way, Uber driving is a great way to do that. The best way, I believe, to have a side hustle is if you can make it be more passive. And just a definition, in case you don't know, passive income is something that requires little to no effort to earn and maintain. And a lot of ideas are like rental income and things where you purchase something and then you get that money every month passively. If you stick around till the end, I'm going to share with you a really unique idea that we're doing for passive income here. We moved to Las Vegas, and I'll tell you about that at the very end. And it just might spark an idea of something that you could do to earn that passive income and have like another little side hustle. But I recommend as many of these as you can do to combine them. You're going to make that extra money from home. So before we get into this, if you're new to the channel, my channel is about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and I do a lot of product reviews in this channel as well. So if you want to learn more about those topics, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon, that way you can be notified when I upload new videos. So let's go ahead. The first side hustle is to sell clothes on Poshmark or Mercari. Now, if you've ever sold on eBay, you know there's a lot of restrictions on there. I've done that as well. But this is just a couple places that you can sell clothes. Poshmark is clothes. You can see all the different things that people sell on here. And to become a seller, it's real easy. You just scroll down to the bottom and click on Sell on Poshmark. And then there's another app. It's called Mercari. And this one, I think they sell other things besides clothing. They sell almost anything, and I just think it's a lot better than eBay or Amazon. I had extensive experience selling on there, and I did okay, but it was a lot of stress with that. And so you come down here, and I think, yeah, become a seller on Mercari. So those are two different apps that you can use to sell clothes that maybe you don't fit into anymore, or you just don't wear anymore, because I think most people have a lot of stuff in their closet that they don't wear. So that's number one. The second side hustle is to donate plasma. And I work in a skilled nursing facility, and when I was back in Texas, a lot of people were not getting their hours because of Medicare changes. And so the people that I work with, a lot of them got a second job, and they also donated plasma, and they were telling me about it, and they said, it's not difficult to do. You just basically lay there, and they get paid, I think it was up to like $400 a month. So it doesn't take that long, and that's just, I think, a good side hustle if you are into that kind of thing. I didn't decide to do it, but I just want to let you guys know about it. The third one is to create courses on Udemy, and then get passive income through affiliate products. You can do this all completely free. It does obviously take some work, but this is Udemy, and it's a website where people create courses and they sell them, but you can also create courses for free that people download, and then your resource section would include your affiliate links, and you're going to make money from that. It can be passively, like if you have a course on email marketing, and then your resource section is a link to sign up for GetResponse or sign up for another autoresponder. Kartra, you can give a tutorial on that for free and then have an affiliate link to Kartra. But I did a video on this whole strategy here. It's called Free PayPal Money, and I'll post a link to this video in the description so you can check out that whole strategy there. But it's great because it doesn't cost you any money. It takes some time to create these courses, but you can earn some really good money passively through affiliate products. So that's number 3. Number 4 is affiliate marketing, like I do, and CPA marketing, and you can promote it on YouTube, and you don't even have to show your face. I have some videos on exactly how to do this. This is just one idea. I mean, a lot of people love ClickBank, but last year I made over $2,000. These are some of my paychecks. Let me refresh it here through ClickBank, and so that's just a great way that you can do it. Another one is Traffic Domination Network, and so this one's completely free. They have some really unique offers in here, and then you'll get your own affiliate manager that can help you to be able to market these affiliate offers. They pay really well, and I do have a video on this also. I'll post in the description below the video. Then number 5 is, of course, my favorite is YouTube. You can have some passive affiliate channels, and you can make money with Google AdSense and affiliate marketing. And you don't, again, have to show your face. There's plenty of channels out there that don't, and they make a lot of money. Let's see, my analytics from when I got monetized last March. So this is less than a year. I've made $5,000. You add that with ClickBank, that's an extra $7,000. If you take some of that money and you invest it, that's going to add up. You can see one day, my best day was $43. And there's some of my friends that are doing much better than I with Google AdSense. They're making like $1,000, $2,000 per video. I mean, some of their videos that are gone viral and done really, really well, or even more than that. So it does take work, but that's just one way. But then you have links in your description. I've made tens of thousands of dollars last year just through affiliate marketing in YouTube, and of course YouTube is completely free. The affiliate products weren't always free to join, but I've made some really good money that way. The 6th one is online tutoring, and you can go to VIP Kid and check this out, but you tutor kids on other parts of the world, so your hours might not be that good, but you can earn up to like $22 an hour. So this is a great side hustle that you can do if you're a teacher and you want to teach English. The second one is house sitting and dog sitting. You can create business cards, hand them out to people who just tell them, if you're going out of town and you need somebody to take care of your animals, I can house sit for you. I have a friend who does that full time. She does dog walking and she does house sitting. And then there's somebody else that I know who does the house sitting on the side. She cleans houses full time, and then she does house sitting. So that's a great way that you can get customers. Also, of course, house cleaning is a great side hustle, and you can do that. And then you can do house sitting, dog sitting on the weekends, or when someone goes out of town and stay at a really cool house. So that's number 7. Number 8 is to sell on Facebook Marketplace. It's like you can go to thrift shops and flip it, or you can just sell what you have in your home. And I'll show you, this has worked out very, very well for me. Before we moved from Texas we're living in Las Vegas right now, we sold most of everything that we owned because we rented out our house there in Arlington. But you can see, like, I sold these china cabinets for $135. I sold this bedroom set, and people got a really good deal because this is really nice furniture, $495. This dining room table with 8 chairs, $395. Queen headboard and footboard, $175. I didn't actually sell this. We sold that at CarMax, but this sold. I mean, a lot of times I'll list something and you just get tons of messages of people, especially if it's something really nice. I didn't want a gas stove. I wanted an electric one, so I sold this. That went really fast. So if you're somebody who can go to a thrift shop and, like, let's say you get a piece of furniture and you can refinish it and make it look really nice, or you're just good at flipping things, this is a great way, marketplace, because it's free. Now you can boost these posts for just because maybe it's not selling as fast as you wanted to, because we needed to sell this stuff pretty quickly. Um, you can boost it for just like $3 I spent to boost these posts, so more people will see it. And it's just amazing how many people will message you, and then you can sell these things on Facebook. Okay, so number 8 is Amazon Flex. I don't know about you, but I order from Amazon like all the time, and these are people it's not associated with Amazon. You just set your own hours and you deliver in your own car. And it says that you can make anywhere from $18 to $25 an hour. I'm not sure if you can make that much, but they're flexible hours, so you just pick a block of time, and people are ordering on Amazon all the time. So this is a great way, great side hustle that you can do from home as well. And number 9 is to become a caregiver or a sitter. Now, the reason why I put this in here is because, again, I work as a physical therapist. We have care plans with family members, and their family member is not able to stay by themselves. Okay, so they live, let's say someone's mother lives with them, and the mother fell and broke their hip, and they're not able to be by themselves, but yet that family member has to go to work every day, and they don't have the money, they don't qualify to stay long term, they don't want to stay long term, they don't have the money to put them in an assisted living facility. They just need somebody to be there with them and make sure they're not getting into trouble, or there may be some physical work involved, but it could be something where you could easily be trained, or you could just be with somebody who has Alzheimer's and they don't want to put them in the nursing home, but they just need somebody there with them while they're at work. This would be a great side hustle because there's a great need for this. And you could go into skilled nursing facilities and just have a business card and say, I do sitting or I do caregiving, and you could offer it at a very low price that somebody could actually afford. Or let's say you're a stay-at-home mom and you have your kids that you're taking care of. What if that person could drop their loved one off at your house and you could watch them for the day? It wouldn't be that hard. Maybe they're in a wheelchair. Maybe you'd have to help them to the bathroom, prepare a meal or something for them. But can you imagine how much you would help somebody? Because I've seen family members just cry because they don't have any backup. They don't have something to do with their loved one, and they can't leave them at home. Or some people actually do, which is not safe at all. So you could come in as somebody like, I can do this for you for this price. Like even if they paid you like $20 a day, that definitely can add up, but it's something where they could afford that, and you're really, really helping people out. So I think being a caregiver or sitter for the elderly is something that's definitely needed and can definitely help you out, other people out, and as well as being a good side hustle for you. So I wanted to share with you, last of all, what I'm doing to create passive income. This isn't like immediate, but it's going to happen down the road. Okay, so I think everybody thinks, oh, I need a bigger house, I need a bigger this or whatever. We're actually downsizing, and I like the minimalist lifestyle because you have less stuff, you have less expenses, and you can get things under control a lot better. So like I said, we rented out our home. It was an 1,800 square foot home in Arlington. It's a really, really nice home. I would miss that. I will miss that. But what we're doing is we're building a container home, and we're going through a company here, and they will ship anywhere. When we were here in September, they were making a container home for somebody in Hawaii. So they're shipping it to Hawaii. Some people in California were getting them as like a mother-in-law suite. But you can also have them as Airbnbs if you live in a town where it's like a tourist town, because this is like a really unique place to stay. You could put it in your backyard. It could be an Airbnb. But what we're going to do is we're going to downsize and actually live in it. And we ran into difficulties trying to find land to park it. Like RV parks around here are just not that good. So what we did is we started looking for land, and we looked for land about an hour outside of Vegas, which is called Pahrump. And you can see, well, there's foreclosed properties here, but you can get land for as little as $30,000 $30,000 for 5 acres, something like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this on the property. It's right up against the mountains. It's absolutely incredible. And then we're going to 5 acres. We're going to be able to develop these other sites and have people rent from us, because we talked to the real estate agent there in Pahrump, and she manages the property for somebody who has like 5 different spaces that have RV hookups, and then she also rents out her house. But our idea is to rent out the space here for people to be able to park their RV or even put their container home and rent the land from us. It's the most beautiful scenery there right up against the mountains. So that's a way that you could make passive income if you have a piece of land and you downsize, first of all, to a smaller home, rent out your home. So you're paying your mortgage there, but you're having less that you're spending every month, because these homes you can get into for $75,000, and your monthly payments may be like $500 a month. And there actually are companies out there that will lend to tiny houses now. There's a company out of Utah. So then you've decreased your monthly expenses, and then if you can develop the land and rent out spaces, then you have this passive income coming every month. Like, you could rent out spaces for like $500 a month. And of course it costs to develop the land. Like, the land that we were looking at for 5 acres is not developed. It'll cost maybe $33,000 to get the sewage, water, and electric. But when you look at that down the road, renting that space out is going to create this really great passive income for us. So just an idea for you guys, and I like to see people downsize into something really beautiful and be able to make that extra money every single month, because when you're saving money, you're making money. So again, I hope you guys found some value in this 9 best side hustles for 2020, and you're able to make some more money this year. If you guys have any other ideas of side hustles, make sure you post them in the comments below. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. You can contact me if you need to. Also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.